Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your general energies, Leos, we are picking few cards. If you are interested to watch a more detailed love reading, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have after this general energy, guys. Leos. So we have Seven of Wands, Nine of Pentacles in reverse, and Five of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, maybe you had trusted someone or some circumstance or some opportunities. Maybe you have invested in something in your business or in your work, maybe your time, energy, and finances. But today, for some of you, it has proved wrong, your trust on those circumstances or those choices. So it may be quite a worrying thing for you today, guys. Things are not going as expected in your career situation, or it may be something in your relationship, maybe your trust and faith, it has failed you. You feel embarrassed and worried because of the way things are going in your situation today, guys. And maybe there are people who are quarreling with you about something, they are fighting for something, maybe they are obstructing your growth, and they are stressing you a lot. It may be someone in your family or it may be someone in your work. They are envious of you, guys. That is the reason they are doing these things. Or maybe for some of you, you may be involved in some kind of a lawsuit, some litigation maybe, and you are quite stressed and troubled. But I see that situation is going to turn advantages for you. So maybe these quarrels, these arguments or fights, whatever you have, it is going to benefit you in the long run. So it is going to change the way that other person is going to react. So you would have, you may feel that they will carry that envy, that anger towards you, but that anger or your resentments you have towards them, what led to those arguments, so whatever it was, so that is going to change them, guys. So they may change that, your arguments or whatever words you spoke, that is going to change this person forever. So that is what I see. So these stressful situation, it is going to work as something of an advantage for you guys, Leo. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. If you want a more detailed love reading, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Leos. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So today we have this card, the first card, and this is your second card. So any questions or doubts you have in your mind about your situation, you can think about it and choose the card. Close your eyes and meditate for a few seconds in silence. Open your eyes and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence with the first card, guys. Okay, guys, so I'll be starting with this card, the first card. So let's keep this card here. We will see what is the card. It's Obsidian. It is a Crystal Spirits Oracle card, guys. So this card just means that this crystal, it stands for knowing yourself. So we have to know ourselves first if you want to lead a meaningful life or have a meaningful connection. So are we all ready to learn from whatever we have experienced in our past? Maybe through those experiences we have learned so much, and we are always changing. Our behavior is changing. So we are a mix of the past, from that experience whatever we have learned, and present whatever we are going through today. And we have so many hopes and dreams for our future. So we are a mix of our past, present and future. So today what is right in front of us is that challenge to have that trust on ourselves first. So when we have that love for ourselves, we will know what we are, what are our strengths, what are our weakness, and we will understand ourselves first. Only when we understand ourselves, we will be able to understand the other person with whom we are in connection, guys. So we have to start with that self-awareness today. When we do that, we will know that qualities that we are searching for in a partner. Maybe do we have all those qualities? Maybe it has stopped existing in us. So we have to go for that clear knowledge of ourselves first. So this oracle card here is just a reminder that we are great just as we are, and we have to feel happy for what we are today, comfortable and confident in our own self, in our own qualities. That way we will be happy when we see those qualities in others, or we will feel happy for that person however they are. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's see what is the reading with the second card. It says, you who show the way. So with this card, it is an Rumi oracle card, guys. It just means that the appearance of this card itself, it is a sign telling us it is right now very difficult for us to understand our situation. No matter how hard we try to solve the problems we have, it is not getting resolved. So today the energy with this card is that according to that grace of that higher power or universe, whatever you call it, you have to just be a witness to your situation. So you need not put in any efforts or try to resolve your situation. Things will fall into place automatically for you guys, because that divine guidance or that divine direction is there in your situation, and that resolution will happen by itself, and you will not know until it becomes a fact, but it is happening, it is in the process. So you need not worry, guys. So right now you feel something is impossible to resolve. You need not worry, because the divine power or the higher power is having it covered. So everything will be alright, guys. That is the message with this card. You just have to have that faith and hope in your situation. So when you have that faith and hope, that new dawn is here now, breaking for you right now, guys, very soon. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and that is the reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.